Hi guys, David here from Think Renewable. Obviously a common question that we get in solar is how much money am I going to save on my electricity bills? People invest in solar to do this and achieve this outcome. Typically we find it's between 40 to 60% you can save on power bills when installing solar onto the home. That varies because it depends on how much power you can use during the day. So the more power you can self-consume from your solar system, the higher your savings are going to be. The good news is if you're not there to consume it all the time, any exported electricity you will get paid a feed-in tariff for. In recent years, feed-in tariffs have reduced, but you can shop around for a better feed-in tariff from different electricity retailers in the market. So yeah, typically it's between 40 to 60% reduced on your bill.